What's up, squad? So today I am doing an unboxing video. I got these things that my mom got me is a cat from Alice in Wonderland. It's a nightlight and a Jack Skellington and this feather pen. But I'm gonna open this one first. So let me open it. Oh, okay, how am I supposed to open this without ruining it? Okay, I got it. Just needs a little bit more in there. Okay, it's up. See it then? Let me take this thing off. Feather. Got that one unboxed. Put that right here. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. Here. See, to let you know that's what I was doing. Yeah, I'll show you guys what they look like once I plug them in. Let me unbox it now. Okay, it's unboxed. Okay. Here it is on outside of the box. Oh yeah, you can see it way better. This the inside. Plug. Right there. Okay. Okay. Let me open the Jack Skellington one. Jack Skellington. Same design on the back. Everything. Okay. And now I'll show you guys it when it's lit. And I'll be back when I plug them in. Okay guys, I'm back. And here's the cat one. Alice in Wonderland. And I'll be back for the Jack Skellington one. Okay guys, I'm back. And here's the Jack Skellington one. This one looks really cool. I think I'm going to keep this one up. This one right here. Oh no, sorry guys. Okay guys, so this concludes my video for today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and put post notifications on so you guys don't miss another video. And my name is OP Gamer and Squad out.